Hello, virtual little learners. Let's continue learning about transportation and the many different vehicles we can use to get from one place to another. Are you ready? First, let's sing our listening rule song. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at group time. At group time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at group time. At group time. Very good. Now our bodies are ready to learn about more ways we can get around. On Monday, we talked about cars. Cars start with the letter C. Today, we are going to discuss a different vehicle. This vehicle travels in water. Can you guess which it is? Cars travel on the road, and planes travel in the air. What travels in water? Boats. You're correct. Today, we're going to talk all about boats. Boats start with the letter B. Did you know? There's more than just one kind of boat. Let's learn from a friend the many different kinds of boats or vehicles that travel in the water.
Hi everyone! Today it's time we learn about water transportation. A boat is mostly used in shallow water. A ship is bigger. It is used in wide rivers and seas. It can transport people or goods. The person in charge is the captain. Motorboats are small and are mostly pumped with air. They have a small motor and are quite light. They can be used in rescues. Canoes are long and can fit very few people. You can move it along using the paddles. Careful, don't fall off. Sailboats are boats that move thanks to the wind in their sails. Pirates used to travel in these. Fun! This is jet ski. It's used to move very fast around the coast. It fits 1 or 2 people. What about deeper down in the sea? We have submarines. It can travel underwater for months. This is a cruise ship. They're the biggest boats on the planet. They can travel very long distances. They usually transport goods and people. Let's review what we have learned. Boat. Ship. Motorboat. Canoe. Sailboat. Jet ski. Submarine. Cruise ship. Nicely done, sailor.
That was interesting. Did you see? We have from small canoes to great big cruise ships. How cool. Today, we're going to make a boat that relies on the wind to move. Do you remember what kind of boat that was? A sailboat. So get your materials and let's make one. We're going to start with the water, since that is where our boat travels. So you should have a piece of accordion folded blue paper. We're going to add that to the bottom as our water. Okay. Then we're going to add the bottom of the boat. This shape we could call a semicircle. Now we're going to build our sails. Remember, this kind of boat needs the wind to move, and it also needs the sails. Put your brown rectangle right in the middle and add your two. What shape are these? Add your two triangles. Add one on each side. Let's write the word boat at the top. Do you remember what letter it starts with? Boat starts with the letter B. So that's the first letter we're going to write. B. O. A. T. Spells boat. And that is just what you made. Have fun sailing today, and I'll see you next time.